And we got the road here. There's the road, a couple cars down there, and nothing down along this way here. So, very quiet here. Kind of chilly today. And you got the sun there in front and behind there, so see if you can read that there. I have to shoot it at an angle because the sun's right in my eyes here. Pennies of Mexican children, it says here. Well, I don't think they come up here too often, but anyhow, okay. Well, back at the memorial here, and you can see it says Emilio Carranza, messenger of peace. The people of Mexico hope that your high ideal will be realized. Homage of the children of Mexico to the aviator Captain Emilio Carranza, who died tragically on July 13th. I don't know, it looks like 1938, I can't really tell, in his goodwill flight. And I have my stone here that I'm going to place down here. So there, I placed my stone there. Okay, to Emilio. And you can look that up on the internet, and I might put some links in there as to some information, but crashed out here in the middle of nowhere. So, but there it is. Okay, guess I'm going to head back out now here. So, take one last look at that. And this one, same thing as the other side, but in Spanish, maybe the words are a little bit different. Something on the bottom about a goodwill, good volunteer. So I guess it is the same as the other side there, except in Spanish. And I don't have any coins to leave. And I don't know what that symbol is up there, but we have to see here. So, and this doesn't have a date on it as to when these wreaths were. I had a couple Christmas wreaths, old ones. I should have brought them with me. They wouldn't last long, but they'd last at least through Christmas time. So, okay, we say our fond farewell here to the crash site here. No wreckage to be found, of course, anymore here, but super quiet here. Super quiet. The guy with the dog is still there, and my car is over there in the woods, so it's takeoff. It was a good stop. I may have to come back on a different day here.